Moto Nana Eats. Moto Nana Eats. Moto Nana Eats.
What's up mga kanamnams? Nandito tayo sa may N Cafe, letter N Cafe. So already 10:52 in the evening. Naisipan lang namin bigla magkape. Pero dahil nagiging titas of Manila na tayo. Well, matagal na akong titas of Manila. Nagtsa tayo. Lemon and ginger tea. Yan. So this is located just in front of the entrance of Valley Golf Sumulong. Across lang siya. At since medyo may colds tayo, masaya na nagtsatsa. Ayun. I have the dark chocolate muffin. It's very big. Medyo madilim. Medyo madilim dito kasi ano siya, aesthetic. Aesthetic feel. So, yan siya. Yan. Alam mo, huling nagpunta kami ng coffee shop at may nirate kaming muffin food na may coffee. Ayun pa ata yung kasama ko, yung brother ko. Shout out to you, my brother man. So again, this is dark chocolate. Dark chocolate muffin. The taste is okay. Actually, I like the taste. Yung pagka-dark chocolate niya, hindi siya ganun ka-bitter. Yung sweetness niya, feeling ko nasa mid or upper mid ng konti. Pero hindi siya yung super tamis na parang uubuhin ka na sa tamis, which is good. Though, napansin ko lang na medyo dry yung loob ng muffin. Dapat ba dry yung loob ng muffin? Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako makain ng muffin, pero I tried it. Pero medyo dry yung loob niya. Pero yung taste niya, okay naman siya. I'll taste the croissant. The croissant itself, and then with the maple syrup. What's toasted too much, ha? Hindi na lumalaban yung croissant. Di ba pag croissant, lumalaban yung bread? Bread ba yung tawag yung pastry bread? Supposedly dapat lumalaban siya, may pull. Yan, para siyang croutons. No? So yung croissant, hinaf siya ng as in half. Hindi siya sliced, pero half talaga. Like, natatanggal mo yung taas. Tapos, tinost siya ng ganun. Siguro kaya, nawala yung pagka-pulley. Nawala yung texture ng pagiging croissant niya. Sa suggestion niya ni Direct, it's much better if may order ng croissant. They would ask na lang siguro like, gusto niyo bang pong i-warm? Gusto niyo po ba yung toasted? Yung mga ganun. Para lang at least may preference yung tao. So, like kasi sa amin, prefer namin yung croissant na may pull, may ganun siya. Mga kanamams as in crunchy siya. Siyang croutons. ASMR guys, let's eat the crunchy croissant. Narinig yan? Siguro sa akin na. May kasamang maple syrup yung croissant. para sa akin lang, ang preference ko siguro yung maple syrup. For me, it would be best if it's partnered with a waffle instead of the croissant. Parang mas okay yung croissant for me na butter yung ilalagay niya. Since ganun yung labanan ng croissant. Labanan ng croissant. Short video lang to. Food nila, upper mid a little bit. Yan. Babalik nila kami next time for the drink since we're doing tea. Next time when we'll do coffee, we'll let you know. Oh, and the food, yeah. Meron pala silang mga ano dito, like main dishes, may nakita mga steak. Anyway, nandyan yung menu. Check nyo na lang. Check natin next time. That's it, Francis. Bye-bye. It's a wrap.